Plant cells versus animal cells.
While both plant and animal cells are eukaryotes, meaning they both have a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, they have evolved completely different toolkits to survive. Think of animal cells like flexible, mobile tents, and plant cells like rigid, self-sustaining brick houses with built-in greenhouses.
Let's start with what makes plant cells unique. First, they have a cell wall.
While animal cells only have a flexible cell membrane, plants are wrapped in a tough outer layer made of cellulose that gives them the rigid support they need to stand tall against gravity.
Next up, chloroplasts. Plants don't go out to eat, they make their own food. Chloroplasts act as the green solar panels of the cell, running photosynthesis to turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose. Animal cells don't have these. They rely entirely on mitochondria for energy.
Plants also feature a large central vacuole. This massive water storage tank pushes outward against the cell wall to create pressure, keeping the plant crisp and upright instead of wilted. Animal cells, on the other hand, only have a few small, temporary vacuoles.
Meanwhile, animal cells have their own unique gear, like centrioles, which help organize cell division, and a flexible, irregular shape that lets them adapt and move.
To wrap it up, plant cells get a rigid cell wall, chloroplasts, and a giant central vacuole. Animal cells skip the walls and solar panels, keeping things flexible.
Drop a comment below. Would you rather have the heavy-duty plant cell wall or the energy-pumping mitochondria? Let me know.
If this helped you tell your plant cells from your animal cells, hit that like button and subscribe for more science breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring!